Load your family into the 2020 Subaru Forester.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.